Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome back to another video of Marketing Funda. Now in the last video we were discussing about marketing mix. Today we will further discuss about the marketing mix strategies. Just to refresh yourself, marketing mix consists of 4 P's: product, price, place and promotion. Now marketing mix and the customer, they have relationship, right? Why are we having these 4 P's? They are to give certain solutions to the customer. Now coming to the first P, which is product, it gives customer a solution to his or her problems. Next comes price, which delivers the customer a cost. Then we have place, which means convenience, the convenience of buying the products, and promotion is communicating to the customers. Right? Now, these marketing mix consists of marketing mix strategy, or it leads to marketing mix strategy. Now, as you can see in the figure given, we have company which offers products or services and prices associated with it. Now these products, services or prices, they are communicated to the target customers, right, through the communication mix. The communication mix consists of advertising, sales promotion, events and experiences, public relations, direct marketing and personal selling. These all through distribution channels reach the target customers. Now, how do you formulate marketing strategies using marketing mix? There are certain questions which we need to ask ourselves before formulating marketing strategies. The first one is, what is the best combination of the 4 P's in the given situation? For example, we are thinking of making a pen, right? Now the pen is to be made for whom? Who is the target customer? What kind of pen are we going to make? How to go for distribution? So we have to think about what is the best combination. Next is, which line of products or individual products should be offered to an identified target market? Are we going to offer one kind of product or 5 kind of products? How many products, right? And which one? The third question is, what should be the price structure? Now how the price should be done, how it should cater to the customer's needs. This is the price structure. Thereafter we talk about the channel, which channel is to be selected. That means how is the distribution going to take place. Now for larger goods or heavier goods, what should be the channel? Is it to be direct to the customers, direct to retailer and then through to the customers, or what should be the distribution channel? Then we talk about the right promotion strategy. What are the promotion strategy that we should use? Next we talk about how should the total marketing effort and resources of the firm be apportioned among the 4 P's. That means it talks about the effort, right? The marketing effort that we have to divide amongst what? Let's say the product, the price, the place and the promotion. How much should be the marketing effort which should be given in manufacturing of the product or designing of the product, setting up the pricing? Now that entirely depends on what kind of product it is and the resources, the human resources and other resources that we have. And finally, how to balance the impact of an increase or decrease in the allocations to a particular element or on the other elements, right? That means if needed, right, if situation demands that okay, we should shift to the pricing part, then the flexibility should be there. Okay, now next we talk about how the marketing mix went from 4 P's to 7 P's. We were discussing about 4 P's. Now what is 7 P? Now 7 P is basically it's done for the it's known as a service marketing mix. Okay, it was as I had told you before that in 1960 McCarthy invented the 4 P model. In 1980 the 7 P's took shape by Booms and Bitter. What were the 3 extra P's that were added? People, because in service we need human relationship. Okay, the relationship marketing is there. Physical evidence, a material or component of the service. Let's say you're having an insurance, you need certain papers, right, as a proof. And the process process, that is the interaction with the service user. You're going to a restaurant, you're going to a place to eat something, let's say, right? Here, what is the process? That also matters. Now, this is about basically the marketing mix and its strategies, different strategies that we can adopt. I have just told you in a nutshell what it is. In the following videos, we will be going step by step and in details about all other things. Hope you liked it. Do share your views and take care. Bye bye.